controversial tax shuffle that some say is giving big breaks to giant corporations, forcing you to shoulder more of the burden. Now a Metro councilman is shining a spotlight on that move. It's called tax increment financing, or TIF, saying it's turning parts of the Metro schools budget into a shell game. News Channel 5's Jason Lamb joins us tonight. Jason, we've seen the school budget process already get heated this year.
That's right, all over proposed cuts to make ends meet. But tonight, a Metro councilman says tax deals made years ago continue to show up on the Metro schools budget, making it seem like there's more money for kids than there actually is.
News Channel 5 Investigates has reported on the tax move before, called tax increment financing. It allows the city to offer tax breaks to corporations who develop in portions of downtown Nashville that were deemed blighted slum areas in the 1970s. Even though things appear awfully different today. But Metro Councilman Dave Rosenberg says some of those deals made when Carl Dean was mayor are unfairly inflating the Metro schools budget.
They're giving a refund on property taxes that were never paid, using dollars that were never given. It's a shell game.
Rosenberg is talking about this line in the Metro school budget for next school year. More than $9 million listed as a property tax refund. Rosenberg says schools can't budget for that money because they never see any of it.
Where that money is never actually intended to go to Metro schools. It is intended to go to pay off incentive deals to corporations who are brought to Nashville.
That $9 million pass-through is larger than the amount Metro schools budgets for school bus monitors, psychological services, and even textbooks. And Rosenberg says since schools can't spend the $9 million, it just artificially inflates the Metro schools budget.
That has the effect of making the overall schools budget look bigger, and it makes it look like the per pupil spending is bigger. That'll be $100 on average per student that it appears we're spending, but we're actually not.
Metro Council already did away with the practice that would make the schools budget shoulder any future corporate tax deals. But Rosenberg says in an emotional budget season,
to hold Dr. Joseph accountable for the decisions he has made and demand better for our students and families.
An honest discussion about what schools can provide deserves an honest look at the money schools can spend.
It's really just a matter of sound accounting and transparency.
Of course, those who offer those tax deals say they are necessary to attract large corporations to Nashville who often bring hundreds, if not thousands, of jobs with them. The city still makes those tax deals, just now any new ones don't end up on the Metro schools budget. Live in Nashville tonight, Jason Lamb, News Channel 5.